Hello everyone. Today I am going to present a part of my PhD work entitled A Comparative Study on the Different Preparation Techniques of Curcumin Hydroxypropyl Beta Cyclodextrin Complexes. My name is Babli Khatun, a research scholar from the Department of Chemical Sciences, Teachpur University, working under the supervision of Professor Tarun Kumar Maji. So coming to the introduction, curcumin, as we all know, is a polyphenolic compound found in turmeric having numerous medicinal benefits, but its therapeutic use is limited because of its less bioavailability arising basically due to its hydrophobicity. There are several ways to circumvent such drawbacks, and one of them is to form complex with hydroxypropyl beta cyclodextrin, which is a well-known excipient in drug delivery to enhance aqueous solubility. The main objective of this work is to compare 5 different methods of complex preparation between curcumin and HP beta CD. In the methodology section, the schematic diagram of different methods is presented. In co-evaporation method, ethanolic solution of both curcumin and HP beta CD were mixed at about 40 degrees Celsius and stirred to obtain a thick paste which was then dried. In co-precipitation technique, mixture of aqueous solution of HP beta CD and ethanolic solution of curcumin were refluxed at 70 degrees Celsius. The ethanol was removed and the solution was filtered and PPT was dried. In incubator shaking technique, aqueous solution of HP beta CD and ethanolic solution of curcumin were mixed and placed under incubator shaking at about 37 degrees Celsius for 7 days. The mixture was filtered and the filtrate was freeze dried. In kneading method, both of curcumin and HP beta CD were kneaded with few drops of ethanol and water and then dried. In solvent evaporation technique, both the solutions were mixed and the filtered and filtrate was vacuum dried. So coming to characterization, in FTIR, we can see the characteristic peak of curcumin at around 3500 is vanished in all the complexes except a little hump in CPT, and also the intensity of very intense peak of hydroxypropyl beta cyclodextrin has decreased in almost all the complexes. Similarly, other characteristic differences in the fingerprint region can be observed which suggest successful interaction of curcumin with HP beta CD. Similarly, TGA curves of complexes were also observed in both that of curcumin and HP beta CD, which also indicates some sort of interaction. Same analysis was done to visualize the surface morphology of all the samples. It is observed that the surface morphology of all the complexes seemed very different from that of the curcumin and HP beta CD. So coming to result, the process yield of all the complexes are almost similar. The encapsulation and loading efficiency was maximum in the case of KD and CPT, which were almost similar. So coming to the solubility study, it is observed both visually and optical microscopic study that the solution is very clear in the case of IS and SE, but in UV visible spectroscopy, the absorbance is shown maximum by COE, and this might be due to the suspended particles present even after centrifuging. Coming to swelling degree, COE exhibited maximum percentage of swelling in both acidic and basic pH condition. Similarly, the drug release was also found to be more in case of COE compared to others. Moreover, the swelling as well as drug release was found to be more in basic pH and found to increase with the increase in time till a certain hour and then became stagnant. Coming to anti-cancer activity at 24 hours, result was anomalous, but at 48 hours, COE exhibited the best activity, killing about 50% of the cancer cells. So, it is observed that among the 5 complexes, COE, KD and CPT showed better result than SE and IS. Therefore, these 3 complexes were evaluated for their antifungal activity, where we can notice that the maximum zone of inhibition was found in COE, that is 17 mm. Therefore, we can conclude that all the complexes were successfully prepared and the solubility of all the complexes enhanced compared to curcumin, and from all the complexes COE demonstrated the best activity. So these are the bibliographies of my presentation. These are some of the future work that can be done, and that's all. Thank you.